Welcome to Charts from the Media. Today is March 2nd, 2014. We're going to be taking a look at eBay. We will take an investor's view and a day trader's view. I apologize for not getting this out earlier, as eBay did have a breakout from a one-year trading range consolidation that happened on Monday. Our charts are going to show the calculation for target, price pattern, and the point and figure target. We're going to be looking at charts from the weekly. It's going to be a 3-year chart looking at cycles and the 2013 base, 2 daily charts where we will calculate the target and identify a potential entry point, and also the point and figure chart, which just broke its previous high and it has a bullish target. Our first chart is going to go back 3 years. This is a weekly chart on eBay. If you look at 2011, congestion, 2012, an uptrend, 2013, congestion or consolidation, and we just had a nice breakout. So we have a higher high, strong breakout, decent volume. So the longer the base and this breakout, we're going to take this breakout seriously. So we would actually want to look for an entry point, and that's what we're going to be doing on the daily charts. Here we have the cycles, and if we look at the oscillators are not in overbought territory yet. So this is looking pretty good. 2014 could be another bullish year for eBay. Here we're going to calculate a target for the breakout. So we're drawing a line at the bottom. We could have done a diagonal line as well to show a trading range. However, there are quite a few touches right about that $50 mark, so I'm going to use that as the bottom. And then here we have the upper resistance line. Touch that a couple times, pretty close here. So we're going to take the difference. So if we do $50 subtracted from about 56 1/4, that's a difference of $6.25. And then we're going to add that to where it broke out, about 56.25. So that would give us a 62.50 target. Now it's trading up here at $59 about. So would we really want to get in, here for a couple dollars? Well, as you'll see on the next chart, we might be getting a pullback in the near future. When we take a closer look at the daily activity, eBay has had a strong rise after a breakout on decent volume. So here's this move up last week, decent volume. The latest candlestick, however, is bearish. Went up high, closed lower. In slow stochastics, we're showing divergence. So we have lower highs with a higher price. The RSI is in the overbought zone. All of these together would give us an indication that we might get a pullback in this stock, which would be great if we're expecting a $62 target. So where would we want to be for an entry point? That 56 price, which was a resistance, has now turned into a support. So a pullback, we would be looking probably for the 56 mark, 56.50, right around there. When you look at RSI, when there has been a pullback, it's just gone below the 50 mark and then it's come back up again. So as this comes down, you could wait for that 50 mark, see where it's at. If it's near the trend line, that could be your entry. Personally, I would think at this $59 range, you could get a better price if you just waited a little while. Last but not least, we'll look at the eBay point and figure chart. We have a bullish price objective of 74. So once it goes to that $62 range, this would be your next price target that you could look at for the point and figure. What's nice about this chart is last week, sure enough, broke out above that previous high. Now we have a new higher price on the point and figure chart. So put everything together, longer term this looks to be fairly bullish. Short term I would be waiting for a pullback for a better entry point. Thanks for watching. Visit chartsfromthemedia.com for definitions, learning tools, videos, and more.